So welcome you guys to my apartment. It's currently almost sunset, aka golden hour, as you can see from my beautiful balcony with the beautiful view. So I'll be taking you guys through my apartment. We'll start with the entrance. So basically, as soon as you come in here, let's open the lights, that way you can see. So basically you have, all the kitchen stuff, so plates and cups and everything. Then you have the sink. We also have the electric stove. Just prepared my dinner actually. Yeah, so it's totally electric, which is I like it better than the fire stove. The regular one. Yeah, so here I have a bunch of drawers where I can put some stuff. It's just junk. Yeah, here of course I have my knives, so many knives, my oatmeal, salt, nuts as well. Yeah. So this is my tiny kitchen at the entrance. Of course I have a stove. I have a washing machine as well. And on the left I have also a tiny bathroom. So here there's the sink. I have this beautiful mirror, towel, and then I have my shower, toilet. Yeah, the shower is like, Italian style. You don't really have a bath. It's just a shower, just standing. And it's pretty nice. Pretty good. Alright. Of course I have a microwave. I don't use it that often though. I have a fridge. Yeah, I usually just have eggs, meat, some vegetables. Yeah, you can see carrots and stuff. And also a freezer, which I use quite often. Yeah, as you can see, I have so many things in my freezer. All right. The next is living room / bedroom. So for the living room, I have, a pretty decent couch. I have my computer, a small table, another table. And here I also have things where I can just store stuff. Yeah, so just a bunch of drawers where I can put my stuff. And then we have a living room, and we have this which acts as a separator, I guess, between the living room and the bedroom. So here I have also drawers just where I keep my clothes. Yeah, it's not really tidy, but yeah, this is where I keep my clothes. Also, my skateboards, and also of course my phone, my GoPro, and Oh, you notice as well that I have a lot of carpets. I like carpets, just nice. You don't have to. It avoids you basically just putting all the dirt on the ground and actually getting the dirt on the actual carpet, and then you can just wash them, right? Here is my bedroom, my bed basically. So it's a king size bed. I have lamps as well because I love lamps. I have this big TV, it's huge, and another mirror, and a couple of nightstands. So on the left, one on the right. This is where I sleep. And I think the apartment is 60 square meter or 70, I'm not sure, something like that. And finally, the best thing about my apartment is the actual view, which basically, yeah, it's almost it's sunset basically, so we can't really see the sun. But you can see the basketball courts, the swimming pool. Yeah, there are a bunch of people today because it's a day off. So yeah, this is this is the best part about my apartment, honestly. I just chill here usually in the morning, just take my coffee here and chill. Look at this view. Look at this view, come on. And yeah, usually, when I want to dry my clothes, I just put them on these chairs. I couldn't be bothered to buy a table or this drying this drying thing that you can just hang your clothes on. I just want to do it on the chairs. All right. And of course, my apartment is located in Bahrain, in Sif. Actually, I will put it on the map. And the rent is like 350 BD, Bahraini dinar, which I believe is around $700 to $800. I'll actually put the actual amounts on the video. And honestly, I would say it's a pretty good price because yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of I have like many things with the apartment. Many services. We have a big pool. Two actually, two outdoor pools, one basketball courts, and one interior pool basically, which is always heated, so you can just use it in winter. Because now, since it's still summer, people are still swimming, but in a month or two, people will be. It will be too cold to actually swim outside. Okay, so I believe that was it for my apartment. So as you can see, it's a pretty regular, chill apartment. There isn't really much to say. More to say about my apartment, other than, well, it's pretty chill. I think the price is fairly good for what I'm getting. Yeah, I think I got a pretty good bargain about this. So let me guys know what you think. Let me know if you have any suggestions for future videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Actually, let me just go to the balcony and let you guys enjoy the view a little more. And I'll leave you guys to it.